single day. I'm gonna make some.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. And to my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. So if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out of any of my new video. So guys, today I want to do something cafe, overnight cafe for hair grow. So guys, this is cafe, and inside my applicator bottle I have bamboo leaf tea inside, hot one. So guys, you must not use bamboo leaf tea. So in case you don't have bamboo leaf tea, you can use just pure water, hot one. Make sure that it's warm, not the one that will burn your scalp, okay, please. So warm water or warm bamboo tea. So bamboo tea is also good for hair growth, so that is why I decided to use bamboo tea leaf instead of pure water. Okay, so now I've already mixed the cafe with the bamboo tea. So now I want to just apply it to my scalp, because our hair grow from the scalp, so I really need to put it on my scalp and the ends of my hair. Okay, because our end is the one that always stay out, so it got damaged quickly. So that's why I'm going to put it on my scalp and also the end of my hair. So now I'm just going to apply it to my scalp, massage it into my scalp very well to stimulate the blood so that my hair will grow. I don't know if that makes sense. So guys, just do this step, this cafe treatment once a week or twice a week if you want to see a good result. So this is the back of my hair. As you can see, I've already applied it to my hair. Now I'm just going to massage it into my hair very well. Like, you really need to massage it into your hair so that it will work very well. So when I'm done massaging into my hair, I'm not going to leave my hair like this. I'm going to twist it so that at least tomorrow morning my hair will not get tangled. Because if I leave my hair like this, just cover it with a plastic bag, maybe it will get tangled, and then it's very bad for me to detangle my hair. It's going to be so difficult. So I'm just going to put it on twist. So I'm going to tell you few benefits of cafe for hair. Cafe helps to grow your hair from the scalp. It helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to prevent hair fall. It also helps to make your hair shine. Now if your hair is not shiny, when you use cafe raised regularly on your hair, you will see that your hair will be shining dark, as in it will make your hair darker and your hair will be shining, and it will also grow healthy. If you want your hair to grow healthy and you want to stop hair loss, try cafe and you will see a very great result. Okay, so now I'm just going to twist my hair now, so that tomorrow I will wash my hair so that my hair will be easy. Cafe also helps to manage your hair. Natural hair is very difficult to manage. So when you started using cafe on your hair, it will also help you to manage your hair very well. It also help your hair to be softer, easy to comb, grow, shine, and also stop hair loss. Okay, so cafe have a lot of benefit. If you don't like the smell of cafe, just bear it. It's not going to kill you. Let will not kill you. Okay, me, I don't drink cafe. Like, I don't even remember the last time I drink cafe. I think when I was in Ferrara, when I was in camp in Ferrara, that is the last time I drink cafe. So I don't drink cafe. So because of the benefit I will get from it on my hair, so I just say let me use it on my hair. If you can also use the oil in case you don't know how to make cafe oil, I have a video on my channel, so I will leave the link on the description box below. Just go and check it out, so you can also make the cafe oil. So you use the juice, the tea, and also the oil. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This video is getting to an end. If you are not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, I'm done applying the cafe to my hair. So I just did a big twist, like 4 or 5 twists on my hair now. So this is the end. This is the back of my hair. See? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Au revoir.